Adventure to the Nugan.
This is the moray.
Moray Lagoon.
How come I haven't seen any moray eel yet?
So you can frequently see them when it's low tide.
Oh, is this low tide?
No, it's going high tide.
It's going to high tide.
Yes.
Alright. So we will see them in low tide. How about the snakes?
Yeah, we have sea snakes here. But at this point, they're not here. They're on the reef.
Where is the deepest part of the lagoon?
It's in the middle part.
In the middle, right over there?
Yeah,
And where there's a warning?
Yeah.
Warning buoy?
yeah.
Is that the one? The white one?
Mm-hmm. No, it will be very difficult to paddle.
But it's more comfortable than this one. My leg.
Burning, huh? Burning because of the sun. Corals. Yeah.
Is this the biggest lagoon?
No, the first lagoon is much bigger than this. Here in the Nugan, the first lagoon